How to create new bookmarks folder on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create new bookmarks folder on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this Opera icon here and then click this one, bookmarks, and then click these 3 points here in the top corner and now click new folder and type any name you want and then just click here and that's it. That's how to create a new bookmarks folder on Opera Mini, and that's it for today's video. Please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.